Yo guys, this is Hudson Fam WX here, and today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to use your Noaa weather radio. So first, what you want to do is see these buttons right here. These buttons are your control buttons. So right here, we've got menu, select, weather and snooze, the up, down, left, right keys, volume up, down, and make sure you have this thing on. Weather radio. That is the thing you need to have on before operating your weather radio. And so first, what you want to do, how to set it up, go to set time, set your exact time, as you can see on my camera. Next, what you want to do, set your language and also set your location and choose your county. For if you want different counties, you can choose any counties, single counties, and multiple. For beginners, I would start with I would start with any, because if you want all the alerts for your area, set it to any. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope this weather tutorial works. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that way you will not miss another wonderful episode from me. Until next time, bye y'all.